How to withdraw from Watch Only Wallet on Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can easily withdraw from your Watch Only wallet to your Trust Wallet. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Trust Wallet and then log into your account. So just tap on Get Started and then make sure that you are logged into your account. If you already have an account, that's great. You can import your existing wallet. And if you want to create a new wallet, you can do that. And from here, you can just back up normally. You will have these secret phrases. So from here, what you want to do is tap on skip and open up your Notes app. You will have to create your password and then confirm your password. And if you want your biometrics login, you can do that as well. Just close this out, open up your Notes app, and then write down all of your security phrases. So go ahead and open up your notes. And once you get all of the security phrases, you are going to write them down here, copy from them. And while you log in, you can just go ahead and enter those security phrases. And once you have done that, you can easily withdraw from the Watch Only wallet here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.